Hey everyone, it's Nails by Riss here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I fill in my hard gel nail extensions and complete a fall look. So to start off, I'm filing off the gel polish that's on top of my hard gel base. I'm doing that on all of the fingers. After the gel polish and lifting hard gel areas are off, I'm going in with my hand file and filing to the stiletto shape that I desire. One of the really important steps whenever you're doing any sort of nail application is to make sure you push back the cuticles, because if you don't, then it's possible that product will be on the cuticles and it will cause lifting earlier than normal. After all that filing and pushing back the cuticles, it's important to sanitize with alcohol. Now I'm going in with my dehydrator on all of my nails. After the dehydrator is dry, I'm going in with my IBD LED UV bonder, and I'm going to do 2 coats of that, making sure I cure in my LED lamp in between for 30 seconds. One important thing for me to note here is that I'm only putting the dehydrator and the bonder on my natural nail. I'm not putting it all over the entire application of the nail extension. Now I'm going in with my hard gel nail application on top of my ring and my middle finger. I'm not going to cure it just yet. I'm going to start by placing the leaves in the positions that I want. Once they're in a position that I like, I'm going to put a coat of this hard gel on the rest of my nails and cure it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. After I did 2 to 3 coats on each nail with the hard gel, I sanitized and cleansed with an alcohol wipe, and then I'm going in and refiling the shape and the top part of the nail to make sure that they are all smooth. Now I'm just completing a regular gel manicure on top of the extensions, making sure I put clear coats over those leaves, and then a couple coats of gel polish on each of the other nails, followed by a top clear coat. I always cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds in between. This is the final look of my fall nails. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.